What's going on, everyone? You're welcome once again to David Data channel. In our previous videos, we began talking about data modeling from a database context. In today's video, we're going to begin talking about data modeling from a data warehousing context. If this is your first time, I'm really excited to have you here, and if you're a returning viewer, thanks so much for coming. Please, I'd still like you to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Please, thank you so much. Okay, so data modeling plays a crucial role in making sense of your data in your data warehouse. There are several reasons why we need to pay attention to data modeling in a data warehousing context. In today's data space, we now have data lakes, data mesh, and other kind of solution, data lake house, right, to provide solutions to the large amount of data that we get from different sources in our organization. And that's why it's important for us to understand data modeling, not just only from a database perspective, but also from a data warehousing perspective. Oftentimes, data modeling from a database context is usually much handled by the database or by the database administrators or the software developers who develop the systems, the administration, the applications that are generating those data. So at the point where the developers are building those systems, they define how data will be stored in database systems. So typically, they have done that modeling from database side of things. But for us as data professionals, our concern oftentimes is about modeling the data in data warehouse to answer business questions and to make sense to all the stakeholders in the organization. Alright, so before we dive in deeper, just to be sure we're on the same page, a data warehouse is a central repository of structured historic data that can be used for business analysis or machine learning purposes in your organization. The primary objective of data modeling in a data warehouse can be said to be threefold. The first one will be for seamless data integration, for query optimization and performance, and also to facilitate business insight and reporting. Now, when we say seamless integration, we understand that data can come from different sources, right? Your CRMs, your databases. If you have different applications, you have different databases which are designed usually in different ways or the same way as the case may be. Your data warehouse helps you consolidate all these sources in one place, like you have a single repository of all this data, and also your data warehouse also helps you for query performance and optimization. Usually your data warehouse is built, or rather your database is built for not necessarily for query optimization and performance, but for you to be able to write quickly into the databases, because the transactional database, you want to write quickly in the database as transactions happen almost in real time. But for a data warehouse, you're interested in pulling out the data that you would need as quickly as possible and to ensure that your query and performance are optimized for your users. And then the last reason would be for reporting purposes. You want to ensure that your data is modeled, your data in your data warehouse is modeled in such a way that they can provide insights and reports to business stakeholders. One of the popular data modeling techniques used for data warehousing modeling is the star schema. The star schema is also known as dimensional modeling, where you have a fact that is surrounded by several dimensions, right? Your fact is your quantitative data, and your dimensions are your qualitative parts of your data that gives context to the measures or the facts of that data. Your star schema provides several benefits like improved query performance, ease of use for business stakeholders, and also simplified query design. It also provides a user-friendly structure for reporting and analysis. As we progress in this video series, we are going to look more on the dimensional modeling as well as other techniques for modeling your data warehouse, and see how we can do this in real time to help us understand or make better use of the data stored in our data warehouse. Thank you for joining me in this introduction to data modeling in data warehouse. In our next video, we're going to talk about dimensional modeling. Till we see in the next video, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and also don't forget to share this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.